hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Eric.
Very good, Eric. Tell me, how old are you?
I'm 6.
6. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
That's fantastic. Tell me, how are you today?
I'm happy.
That's very good. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Give me a 5. Let's go. So, we're talking about some letters today. Eric, tell me please, what letter is this?
Letter D.
D. Sound?
D.
D. Okay, what letter is this?
Letter O.
Sound?
A.
Very nice. What letter is this?
Letter V.
Sound?
V.
Very good. Now let's talk about some words, Eric. What's that?
Apple.
Apple. And what letter?
Letter A.
A. Very nice. What is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. What letter is for elephant?
Letter E.
E. Good. What about this one?
Hat.
Hat. What letter?
H.
H. Very nice. Tell me please, what animal is that?
Cat.
Cat. What letter has it got?
C.
C. Very nice. What is this?
Ball.
Ball. What about the letter?
Letter B.
B. What is that?
Robot.
Robot. What letter for robot?
Letter R.
Letter R. Very nice. Okay. Let's talk about some color. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. What is the letter for it?
Y.
Y. Good job, Eric. What animal is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Tell me the letter.
Letter T.
Good. What is that one?
Octopus.
Octopus. And what's the letter?
Letter O.
Oh, fantastic, Eric. Tell me, what's this?
Sun.
Sun. How do you spell it?
S-U-N.
That's great. What about this?
Monkey.
Monkey. How do you spell monkey?
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
That's great. What's this?
Fox.
Fox. How do you spell fox?
F-O-X.
That's great, Eric. We are moving on to some words that we write. Tell me, what's this?
Igloo.
Igloo.
Zoo.
Zoo and
Lion.
lion. Okay, Eric, now it's your turn to write them.
Igloo. G. L. O. O.
Good. Next one, write zoo. Okay, and lion, please. Very interesting. Okay, let's rate your words. Okay, what is this?
Igloo.
This one is?
Zoo.
And this is?
Lion.
That's good job, my dear friend. All right, Eric, give me a high five. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.